is currently 4 o'clock in the morning. All the cars are starting to show up. So we can start heading out here soon. 32, all of Kevin's rigs, Sean, the Le Mans, Kenny's 32, the Hudson, of course. So we'll head out here pretty soon. All right, load up, starting to head out. First stop is Jerome. We are in, where are we in Utah? We're in We Don't Know Utah.
We're in somewhere Utah.
Somewhere Utah, and we're on our way to visit our first hot rod shop. All right, we are here. Well, we are in TREMENTON, that we figured out. I don't know if that's how you say it, but that's my best guess. What in the name of Mad Max?
I know, right? I think I'm gonna call it like the modern day Cruella de Vil. It's like that super long nose.
So this is your creation?
No, all I'm doing is basically building the fenders and running boards and stuff.
Well, tell us a little bit about it. This thing's kind of ridiculous.
At least from what I understand, it started off as a 60s Peterbilt. And then he took this GMC panel truck, sectioned it like 20 inches, and then he essentially made these kind of foam forms for me to shape like the fenders, and I'll build the running boards and widen all the fenders and just more or less try to get, you know, a partial hood and basically go from like the radius forward to cover that portion. He wants the engine real visible, so I'm just involved with the sheet metal aspect of it. I think it'll be, once it all comes together, it's real kind of, it's real bare right now, so it's hard to, I think, see what it'll visually look like, but it'll definitely be different.
Alright, so if you're not too familiar with all the cars that we're bringing down, this is Kevin's square body. We got the Studebaker pickup. We've got Entropy, which is also owned by Kevin. We got the 32 Le Mans, Sean's wagon. We got more Chevy pickups. We got another 32, and then of course the Viper V10 swapped Hudson. So we're all headed down to Loveland, Colorado for GoodGuys. It's gonna be a great turnout. We're gonna have tons of fun, and yeah, we can't wait to get down there. Alright, we just left Salt Flat Speed Shop. Now, I don't know where we're going, but I know we're going to Logan, Utah. Alright, so long story short, our Black 32 had some transmission problems. It wasn't receiving any cooling and it got pretty hot. The great folks at H&S Customs were kind enough to let us borrow some space in their shop to work on it. And unfortunately, it's going to stay here in Utah, and we're going to continue on and pick it up on the way back. But just want to clarify why y'all aren't going to see any more of the Black 32. But we're headed back on down, so we'll catch you guys later. So right now we are in Price, Utah. Just about ready to head off for the last leg of our journey, get to Loveland, get ready for the show. So we're gonna start heading out here pretty soon. About an hour and a half outside Loveland. 32 got a bad map sensor, right?
I think so.
Yeah, it's just not reading correctly, so it's gonna spend the rest of the way in on a tow truck, but the rest of the group's gonna head out here fairly soon and we'll finally make it to Loveland.
We're right in downtown Denver, standing still in traffic, and we have been for the last half hour at least, trying to get through, and then it's starting to lightning and
All right, well, after one hell of a drive, we're here at the courtyard in Loveland. And all that traffic was completely unnecessary, but we're here. Everyone's finally go to bed, which I plan on doing right now. Alright, we're finally at the show. Now we just gotta go find registration and get everything set up. Alright, so we made it to registration. Gonna go in, get all the cars signed up, and get parked and get the show going.
That is not good. 37 doesn't beat his 36. Oh no. Oh, that's too bad.
But yeah, those guys had everything. He had a fuel regulator.
Both 32s have had issues for different reasons. This one's had an EFI issue, so we're throwing a carburetor on that right now in the parking lot to get that sorted out. We're just doing what we gotta do to get them home. Look at that, that's the most useful thing that thing could possibly be right now. All right, so we got the 32 working with the new carburetor, and now we're down to the Pinkees car show. So we'll see you guys there. Got a wild display going on. But we're just gonna walk around, check out the cars. Got some badass stuff going on here. Alright, well, we're all wrapped up here at Pinkees. Oh, that was a front bumper. We're all wrapped up here at Pinkees. Some awesome rides came out. They put on a really good show. Awesome little shop. And that's it for today, so we'll catch you guys at the show tomorrow. Alright guys, Good Guys day 2. And it's also our last day with the Hudson. The Hudson goes off to Georgia after this. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy our second day out there. Guys, day 2, it is absolutely packed. There is an inch of parking space left, but we're just gonna have some fun. We're gonna check out some rad rides that came on down. I hope to show you guys some cool stuff. All right, so where are we going?
We're going to head back to the car. Hopefully we just got positive news that we may have made Custom Street Rod of the Year finalists. So at this point, if we get this, we'll be going to Scottsdale, and out of the 4 that made the finalists, they'll pick who actually wins and gets the toolbox from Good Guys. Keep your fingers crossed.
Yeah, if we don't win, this is just a really sad video that we're taking right now.
Okay.
That's where the story will be correct.
Okay.
All right.
I get this back to you today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sweet.
So now there's 4 that we're going to Scottsdale, is that correct? And then we pick the winner in Scottsdale.
Whole lot of freaking nothing. And we're back. All right, everyone, we're back at H&S Customs. We're patching up the 32 tranny. Hopefully gonna get back on the road within an hour or so we can get driving, but we're gonna watch the guys, see what they can do to try and get this thing running. Get to go home, Patrick.
I know, yay!
Yay! All right, guys, we finally got the Black 32 rolling again, thanks to the great people in HS Customs. They have been absolutely fantastic to us over the weekend, taking care of the 32 and all its training problems, so we really appreciate it, man.
Hey,
thanks for taking care of it.
Not a problem. Thanks, guys, for coming down.
Check them out. They're here in Logan.
Yep.
Pretty sweet shop. They got lots of cool stuff going on. Catch you guys soon.
Thanks.